Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Yamini Singh Vlogs. This is Yamini and this is a Uniqlo haul. I know I have been wanting to film this vlog since so long and I have been promoting Uniqlo products for no reason. They did not sponsor my videos, but I just love their products so much. So I thought I would do a haul with you guys. If you're someone who hasn't shopped from Uniqlo until now, this is your reminder to do so. I mean, their products are so affordable. If you shop in sale, their products are really affordable, and for the price point, their products, the materials, the quality, it is just amazing. Like amazing. I can't focus on this enough, and I know that since I am obsessed with Uniqlo, all the friends that I know of all the friends in my friend circle, my father, my mom, my mother-in-law, everybody is now wearing Uniqlo thanks to me. So like a couple of things from Uniqlo are just magic, and I'm gonna show you why I call them magic. So the first thing that I have from this Uniqlo haul is this beautiful sweater. It's like this, it's a knitted sweater. It looks like this, super warm, and I am wearing a similar sweater in a different color. This is also from the same range, and I have got two more sweaters. One is in white, this is off-white, and the other is in grey color. These are all the same basic sweaters, v-neck. So the price of this sweater that I'm wearing is $15. I got it on sale for $15, and this one, the blue one, was again for $15. And the other two, the white and the grey ones, they are for $10 each because they reduce the prices later. So those two are for $9.99 and these two were for $14.99. So I have a problem. If I like something, I will definitely buy it in more colors. I first wore these two, and while I was in Vermont, I just wore this sweater. Like it was almost it felt like minus 12 degrees Celsius, and the actual temperature was, I think, minus 8. And I was just wearing this along with a scarf, and I did not feel cold. I did not feel cold. So the material of these, I don't know if you can see. Can you see? And this is such a beautiful color, the one that I'm wearing. I will be posting more pictures on the side of all these. I have worn, so these days to work, I only wear these sweaters. I go 3 times a day to work, and I wear one of these sweaters each day along with, I will show you in a second along with what. And yeah, and I'm all sorted. I don't have to open my cupboard and I don't have to think about what to wear. These days the weather in New York City, it's really terrible. It's always a negative. Like I don't remember the last time the weather was in positives. But with these Uniqlo outfits, these Uniqlo sweaters, you're all sorted. Like you will not get cold. They're just so comfortable, and you can see that all of these are coming out. Like you see some of those woolen material where they have these kind of threads coming out, but still it does not itch your body. They are super soft, and I have washed all of these sweaters because I have worn these so much, and I have put them to laundry. They did not shrink. I have not just to laundry, like I have put it in the washer as well as in the dryer. They did not shrink, and there was no lint on these sweaters. So like super comfortable, super affordable, and very good quality, super warm. The next thing that I'm going to show you is pure magic. If from this haul one thing that you guys can buy, please let it be that thing, okay? And that is a Heattech legging. It's like this, and they also have, so it has an inside lining of fleece. And the Heattech range, this is the Ultra Heattech range from Uniqlo, and they claim that they will keep you warm in weathers from -10 to -30, I think. Let me check. So on the website they claim that these Ultratech Uniqlo warmers will keep you warm from weather conditions from -4 Fahrenheit to 50 Fahrenheit, which in Celsius is -20 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. So I actually tested these out in -20 degrees Celsius. I went to skiing and this was the only thing that I was wearing, and nothing happened. So these Ultratech warmers, they come in various range. One is the thinner one, then a little bit more warm, then this is the Ultratech ultra warm one, and they vary from temperature ranges, and they also have the tops with the same technology, like from super warm to like less warm. But these are really, this is the, so basically my winter outfit is a sweater, a legging, and then boots. That's it. I can wear that for throughout my winters. And with these 4 sweaters and this legging, it is all sorted. And I got it in the legging design, not in the stockings design, because I have gained a little bit of weight, and I am always afraid that if I wear stockings, I'm gonna just like, ruin it. They will just be torn somewhere, and I would not be that comfortable in those stockings. So which is why I always prefer wearing leggings, and these are just the leggings that I have been looking for. I got similar leggings from Primark, but they do not support in such terrible and intense weather conditions. But this one, and while I went on skiing, I wore these leggings along with a Uniqlo warmer on the top with a sweater, and I was like, my body was not the part where temperature or snow or like harsh temperatures could hit. I got these when they were for $35, and I got these in the second or third week of November, and since then every week I have been wearing these leggings for minimum 3 times, because these are so comfortable. Like, you just have to pull these. So a lot of people layer these leggings with pants or jeans, but I am someone who does not like to layer clothes, so I wear these just by themselves. That's it. And I wear these and throw on a sweater and boots, and I'm all set. The next thing from the haul is the same Ultratech warmer top. It looks like this. This is not something that I had owned earlier. I used to wear warmers from brands like Decathlon. I know the Decathlon warmers are really comfortable. They are. But this one, the Uniqlo one, it's more comfortable than the Decathlon one. Trust me with this. This will support you, this will help you out, this will keep you warm in minus 20 degrees Celsius weather conditions. If you think that the price of these warmers it's too much, you can wait for the sale season. You can just buy it towards, like, I think in a couple of days they will put everything on sale, because like there was sale on all of these a couple of days ago for Christmas and during Christmas and Thanksgiving, and I bought this one for $30. It's the actual price is $35, but like I got it on $5 of discount. And if they put it on more discount, I will buy white and grey colors in the tops. In the bottoms they only have black and grey, but in the tops they have a couple of colors, and in the top warmers also they have the same range as they have in the bottoms. So I have the Ultra Heat Tech one, which would help me in minus 20 degrees Celsius, and I'm telling you, I have like tested these out in the most harsh conditions that could exist on the East Coast, because this time the winters were really bad on the East Coast, and I had tested the Uniqlo warmers in those terrible weather conditions. So you can trust me with this. And all my friends also bought the Uniqlo warmers, both the tops and the bottoms, because I insisted them to buy the Uniqlo warmers, and they all thanked me later saying that this was their best purchase. So if you are living in these harsh weather conditions, Colorado, New Jersey, New York, any of the East Coast states, or any other country, and if you're watching this vlog, let these warmers be the only thing you buy from. If there's one thing you can buy from this haul, let it be these warmers, because they are super, and these, even the top, it is super stretchable. Like, even if you gain weight or like whatever happens, they're super soft, and you will not even realize that you're wearing these, and they don't look like it's a warmer, it just looks like a top. So if you want, you can just pair these warmers with just a vest, or like there is no need for you to wear a sweater on top of it. Most of the times you can just pair these up directly with a pair of flared jeans, and you can just wear a scarf, and it'll look very flattering on the body, because these are not designed like these are warmers. They are designed like they're tops. And then for winters, I got one more warmer, which is this. This is a little bit see-through. Can you see through? So that's a little bit see-through. This is the least warm leggings from their Heat Tech section, and I got these so that I could pair these with dresses. So you can see on the side I'm attaching a couple of pictures. I have worn this 2 to 3 times while I was wearing dresses. The next thing, and that warmer, the sheer warmer, was for $19. So that's a little bit cheaper than the others. The next thing is this sweater, and I haven't worn it yet. You can see the tags intact, but I got it during Christmas sale and I got it for just $20. The material is really comfortable. I saw my friend wearing it on the trip to Vermont and I was like, hey, you bought something from Uniqlo and I'm not aware of it. I'll also buy it. So at that time this was on sale for $20 and I think $14, $14.99 or $19.99. I'll post the link. I'll put the link to all of these in the description below. And if you are someone who is my weight, you can buy extra small in these sweaters and extra small in this too. The sizes of Uniqlo are really very surprising because I mostly buy extra small items from them. So all these sweaters are extra small. This one again is extra small. And I have one last item to show you, which is a Uniqlo dress. It's like this. It's a sweater dress. The neck looks like this. It's a little bit of bulky sleeves. So very, very chic dress, basic black dress, and I got this also in size C, extra small. So the sizes of Uniqlo are really something. So it makes even the heavy people like me feel like, oh, we are very light because we are fitting into extra small sizes. So I wore this dress in the end of November. I'm gonna post a few pictures. I styled this dress with these sheer leggings and that's how they look. And this is again a super comfortable dress in extra small size. So I'm gonna be posting the link to this also in the description box. And if you're someone who's looking for warm dresses, yes, you can buy the dresses from Uniqlo because these are really, and this dress was also on sale for $14.99, just like $15. So which is I think again a very big steal. So you see, anything that I have bought from Uniqlo, when they put things on sale, they really put it on sale. Like it's just almost like free, except for the Heattech warmers, because that's their best selling item for now. So they won't like reduce the price immediately, but they, even like during the Thanksgiving and the Christmas sale, everything that was for $35, all the warmers that were for $35, they just reduced the price to $30. That's it. They would just mark down by $5. That's it, because that's their best selling item and everybody is buying it. If you go into their store, it's always full. There are so many people in the stores. Everybody you see out there is wearing Uniqlo because, and I get the hype. It's just super affordable, super comfortable, super warm, and it does not itch your body. You can put them into washer and dryer. They will not shrink. There's no lint. Anything positive you can say about it? Anything positive that you can think about a brand, and yes, Uniqlo has got you covered. And guys, I forgot to tell you the size of my warmers. The Ultra Heattech top is medium size, the Ultra Heattech bottom is again medium size, and the one that I wear with my dresses, the sheer one, that's in size small because I want something that would stick to my body. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support really means a lot to me and I will keep creating more such videos. And yeah, please show some love in the comment section. See you in the next one. Bye.